How much should you actually spend on a rooftop cargo carrier? People are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, a sinking 21 cubic feet carrier. Kicking things off with the sinking 21 cubic feet cargo carrier. Priced at $79.99, this bag caught my attention with its impressive waterproof claims and heavy-duty construction. If you want a reliable way to transport bulky items, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's made from 840D PVC fabric, which means it can stand up to rough weather and tough use without ripping or tearing. The waterproof zipper and reinforced seams promise zero leakage, even in a downpour. Plus, its 21 cubic feet capacity means you can fit all kinds of luggage, like tents or sleeping bags, keeping everything secure with 8 adjustable straps. Over 1,000 people have bought this bag just this month, so it's clear many are trusting it for their adventures. Now, some people complained about it being a bit bulky when packed full. Here's the thing though, if you're planning a long trip and need the space, that bulkiness is a small price to pay for peace of mind knowing your belongings are secure. This is perfect for you if you're planning a family road trip or outdoor adventure. Skip this one if you have a compact car and need something smaller. For $79.99, it's a solid investment for those needing extra space. Now, if the size of that sinking bag was a bit overwhelming for you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, a sinking 15 cubic feet cargo carrier, which comes in at a friendly $49.99. I found its slightly smaller profile appealing for those who don't need as much space. If you want a functional and budget-friendly option, this is worth a serious look. With 15 cubic feet of capacity, it's still made from that same durable 840D PVC fabric that offers impressive resistance to wear and tear. The waterproof zipper combined with those reinforced seams ensures that your luggage stays dry even if the weather turns nasty. Plus, at just 3.99 kilograms, it's lightweight, making installation super easy with the included straps and hooks. This product has also seen over 800 purchases this month, which shows it's a popular choice. However, some users mentioned that it could fit less luggage than they hoped. But here's why that's not a deal breaker. If you're just heading out for a weekend trip, this size might be just right without taking up too much space. This is perfect for you if you're a city dweller looking to maximize a smaller vehicle space. Skip this one if you have a larger family and need more room. At $49.99, it's a steal for those on a budget. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing a heavy-duty solution.
Product number 3, MiFar Roof Rack Carrier Basket. Let's talk about the MiFar Roof Rack Carrier Basket, priced at $299.99. This one caught my eye because it's not just a bag, it's a full-on basket with a waterproof bag included. If you want durability and versatility, this is worth a serious look. With a 200 pounds capacity and dimensions of 51 by 36 by 5 inches, it's designed to take on heavy loads without a hitch. The tubular steel construction means it's built to last, and the included windshield reduces drag and protects your cargo from wind damage. Plus, it comes with a waterproof bag and a cargo net, making it a comprehensive solution for anyone who needs serious storage. Now, some users pointed out that it requires crossbars for installation, which can be a hassle. But here's the thing, if you already have crossbars or are willing to invest in them, this setup is more stable and secure than a simple bag. This is perfect for you if you're an avid camper or road tripper needing maximum storage. Skip this one if you don't have a suitable vehicle for crossbars. For $299.99, it's an investment for serious adventurers. If the price of that last option felt steep, the next product offers a great balance of quality and cost. Product number 4, Sail Novo 21 cubic feet cargo carrier, which is priced at $69.99. This bag really stood out to me with its military-grade waterproof material. If you want something that can withstand anything, this is worth a serious look. With dimensions of 51.9 by 39.37 by 16.9 inches, it boasts a hefty storage capacity. The 1000D PVC tarpaulin ensures it's not just waterproof, but also durable against wind, snow, and dust. The bag includes 10 adjustable straps and safety hooks to keep your items secure, which is crucial on bumpy roads. Plus, it has received over 400 purchases recently, signaling a strong interest. However, some feedback mentioned that it might not fit well on vehicles without racks. Here's the thing though,
If you have a vehicle with a roof rack, this is a fantastic option that offers convenience and protection. This is perfect for you if you need ample space and durability for family trips. Skip this one if your car lacks a roof rack. For $69.99, it's an excellent value for its size and quality. Now, if you're looking for something even more manageable, the next product might just fit the bill.
Product number 5, 5 Clemens Rooftop Cargo Carrier. Let's check out the 5 Clemens Rooftop Cargo Carrier, priced at $59.99. This bag is appealing for its great blend of features at a lower price point. If you want a solid, budget-friendly cargo solution, this is worth a serious look. The 5 Clemens bag offers 15 cubic feet of extra storage space, which is perfect for family vacations or short trips. Made from upgraded 840 PVC material, it's designed to keep your belongings dry even in heavy rain. The 8 reinforced drops and 6 door hooks offer enhanced security while driving, which is what you need when hitting the highway. It's also seen a lot of interest with over 400 purchases this month. Some users did mention that it can be tricky to set up at first, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, the installation is straightforward and worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable way to expand your vehicle storage. Skip this one if you plan on carrying exceptionally heavy items. For $59.99, it's a great deal for those needing extra space without breaking the bank.
So, to wrap things up, we've covered the sinking 21 and 15 cubic feet carriers, the robust Me-Fair roof rack, Sale Novo's reliable carrier, and the budget-friendly 5K VLE-MNZ option. Each has its strengths, and depending on your needs, whether it's size, durability, or price, there's definitely a rooftop cargo carrier out there for you.